In my last project, I used an Arduino, and because Arduino has no Wi-Fi, I needed a Python server to connect everything together. But now things are much simpler. I switched to an ESP32, and that means I don't need Python anymore. I connected a push button directly to ESP32, and whenever I press it, the ESP32 sends an HTTP request through n8n straight to Telegram, completely over Wi-Fi, with no server in the middle. Hello everyone, I am Mori, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting projects. On the ESP32, the code is really straightforward. First, it connects to my Wi-Fi network. No Python server, no middle layer, nothing extra. Then I set up a push button on one of the pins. Whenever I press it, the ESP32 triggers an interrupt, and that interrupt tells the ESP32 to send an HTTP post request. Inside that request, the ESP32 sends a tiny JSON message that basically just says, "Hey, the button was pressed." Now, on the n8n side, the workflow is super simple. It starts with the webhook node. When you create a webhook node, it gives you a unique webhook URL. You just copy that URL, paste it directly into the Arduino code, and the ESP32 knows exactly where to send the request, because that's the URL the ESP32 calls. When that webhook receives the post request, it immediately triggers a Telegram node. The Telegram node sends me a message saying push button press. That's the whole workflow, just 2 nodes. If you want to build this yourself, I have uploaded the full ESP32 Arduino code and the n8n workflow JSON file to my GitHub. You can download both of them there and follow along exactly. Thanks for listening, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below.